All right. Howdy, everybody. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today is March 27th, which means it is Brooke Robinson's birthday. So happy birthday to Brooke. Okay, so your random thought, or at least your random question for today, is if you could meet any celebrity, who would you pick and why? I'll tell you who I would pick. I personally would choose to meet with Jerry Seinfeld. He's an older comedian, in case you don't know who he is. He has a TV show called Seinfeld, which is probably the most successful sitcom of all time. He's still making money from it, and he stopped making it, like 20 years ago, I think. Yeah, I think it'd be fun. He's super funny. I feel like he and I have some similarities, and it'd just be a good time. So anyway, who would you pick? Tell me, respond to this email, and let me know who you would choose to meet and why. Okay, so March 27th, today we are going to be finishing the exam Excel skill-based chapters 4 through 6. That again, per usual, is a simulation. I'm not sure how many questions it has, but I know in the past it hasn't been too crazy. I think maybe right around 30, something like that. So let's try and do that today. And then March 31st is Tuesday. We are going to start Access. That is our new software that we're going to be doing. I think you guys honestly will really like it. It's going to be, since it's new, it'll start at the basics. And so starting out with Access, you will think, oh my goodness, this is so easy. So that's a good thing. That's something to look forward to. Okay, going ahead. All right. So what should you do about the capstone assignments? I've addressed this before, but I've had a few people ask me about it, so I just wanted to bring it up again. We are going to skip those for now. Those are the assignments that you had to do in Excel. You had to have the software, and it wasn't a simulation. Since we can't meet at the school, and since I don't know who has Excel at home, a working copy of Excel at home, we're just going to skip it for now, and we'll evaluate our to-do list of assignments when we can meet again in the classroom. So for now, don't worry about them. We'll put them behind, or we'll just put it on the back burner. And so we're going to prioritize the simulations. Those will 100% go on your grade, but the capstone assignments, we'll figure it out when we get there. Okay, so then for today, that means we are going to be finishing the Excel skill-based chapters 4 through 6. And then bonus, if you want to start the Access Chapter 1 simulation training, go for it. It's very, very simple. So you're more than welcome to start with that. That's pretty much it for today. I hope you guys don't try to overwork yourself today with it being Friday. I'm sure it's been a long week, a full week of online school. So take it easy. Don't stress yourself out. Make sure you do something fun, and who knows, maybe we might have good weather today, and it might be worth going outside. So you guys have an awesome day. Once again, happy birthday to Brooke, and I will see you guys again on Tuesday.